Okay, today, what happens when you put a Ruffles bag in the microwave for, let's say, 8 seconds. 8. Microwave. Ruffles bag. And start. And there's 8 seconds. Put it in for 2 more. Five. Ten. And there's your Ruffles bag. That's pretty small compared to about that size to that size. So yeah. No, it's hot and melted out. That hurts. But yeah, whenever you're done with the chips bag, just throw it in the microwave for 8 seconds, then 2 seconds, then 5 seconds, then 10 seconds, and it should look like that. Okay, thanks for watching, and comment down there, and rate and subscribe. Thanks, bye.